In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Discord elevated API latency. If you're seeing an elevated API latency message on Discord, it usually means Discord servers are taking longer than normal to process requests. This can affect sending messages, loading channels, updating your status, or other features. In this video, I'll show you a few things you can check to help determine whether the issue is on your end or with Discord services. To begin, refresh Discord by closing the application completely and opening it again. If you're using Discord in a web browser, refresh the page and sign back in if necessary. Sometimes reconnecting to Discord is enough to restore normal performance if the issue is only temporary. Next, check your internet connection. Open a few websites in your browser to make sure your connection is stable. If your internet is slow or frequently disconnecting, Discord may have trouble communicating with its servers. If your internet connection is working normally, visit the official Discord status page in your browser. This page displays the current status of Discord services and reports any ongoing outages or elevated API latency issues. If Discord is experiencing a service disruption, you'll simply need to wait until the issue has been resolved. If the Discord status page shows that all systems are operating normally, return to Discord and try switching to another server or direct message to see if the issue only affects one part of the application. You can also sign out of your account and then sign back in to refresh your session. If you're using Discord on your computer, restarting your device can also help clear temporary network or application issues that may be affecting the connection. After your computer restarts, open Discord again and check whether the warning has disappeared. Keep in mind that elevated API latency is often caused by Discord's infrastructure rather than your own device. Even if everything on your computer is working correctly, you may still experience delays until Discord resolves the issue on its servers. That's all there is to it. By checking your internet connection, reviewing Discord's service status, and refreshing your connection, you can quickly determine whether the problem is something you can fix or if it's simply a temporary server-side issue. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.